Hi everybody, it's Denise from Wonderland Boutique and welcome to my channel. I am coming to you today with my last Keto Krate that I will be reviewing because I have shown you a lot of different subscription boxes and I have canceled them all, and I'm going to give you one video that's going to do a comparison of everything that I have subscribed to, tell you my honest opinion, how much I paid for things, and was it worth it? So this is my last Keto Krate review. I have one more box here at the house, but I'm not gonna do it on camera. I just want to kind of wrap up the subscription series that I've done with you all and just move on to something new and keep the content coming. So with that being said, this will be our last Keto Krate opening. As I vlog and do other things, I'll give you updates on our Keto Krate journey. It has been the holiday season. Well, not Keto Krate journey, but keto journey. It has been the holiday season, or as my nail tech likes to call it, the eating season. And I may have indulged in some carbs and some chocolates and some toffee and some cookies. So I've not got on the scale. So I don't know if I've gained weight or lost weight, and I'm not gonna look for a little bit until I can get back on track with things. So Dan gained 3 pounds, but then I think it's came back off. So we're still doing keto. He's still much more strict to it than I am. And I have really slipped up during the holidays, but I'm living my best life and that's what it's about. So I really don't have any regrets. That's the thing. Like, even though I'm not eating what I should, I don't regret it because I've enjoyed it. So there's that. And I love peanut butter cookies. So yeah, with that being said, let's open this month's Keto Krate and see what's inside. How have you guys done on your holidays with eating right or trying to eat right? Have you stuck to it? We don't make New Year's resolutions, so I'm not like, ooh, I'm going to make a New Year's resolutions to lose the rest of the weight I want to lose. I'm not going to do that. But I do want to get on the Peloton more because I pay a lot of money for it and I really should be using it. So, all right, let's open this up for you first. Come on. Whoa, stuff fell out as usual. Okay, so what do we have? Every month we get our little pamphlet that talks about like different recipes. This one is keto gingerbread. This must be my December, so I'm on par. How to keto like a pro at Starbucks. So it talks about different things you can have there. A vanilla latte, a cinnamon dolce latte, pumpkin spice latte, creamy Americano, and London fog, and it tells you how to order those. Okay. And then I think I'll keep this pamphlet this month. I usually don't because it's not usually stuff I care about. I know that sounds bad, but I'm curious to see what they say as far as ordering at Starbucks. Next up is just a flyer for Green Chef. There's always, this one is packed. Look how thick this one is. Can you guys see all this? Look at that. It's like to the brim this month. Cool. Okay. Oh my God. I have had this before. It's called the Cookie Department Cakewalk, birthday cake and sprinkles. I don't remember where I got this or how I got this. Maybe it was in another keto box. Unless it's a different brand, I'm thinking. This is good, like really good. And next thing, it's 17 grams of carbs, 5 grams of dietary fiber, and 9 grams of sugar alcohol. So you subtract the 9 and the 5, so that's 13, so 14, 15, 16. So there's 4 grams of carb per cookie. Yep, I count on my hands. Don't judge me. This is Better Than Good Foods Keto Chocolate Crunch. It feels like a chocolate bar. It doesn't feel like a protein bar. I'm not sure what that is. I've never had that. Ooh, a Monk Pack Keto Nut and Seed Plant-Based Gluten-Free. Less than 1 gram of sugar. Okay, I have not tried this brand, but that looks delicious. Here's like the worst part. I did have lunch not long ago before this, and now I'm opening a keto box. So I don't know how much I'm gonna sample. Ooh, Ice Chips Candy sweetened with xylitol, real peppermint? Oh my God, if you guys don't know me, I love peppermint and spearmint so much. Chocolate peppermint, sign me up. This is Raw Rev Glow, creamy peanut butter and sea salt. Okay. Now that is a bar. Haven't had them before. Wow, there's so much in here this month. Nutty Gourmet Sea Salt Walnuts. Ooh, and it's in a resealable box. And if anybody's really been following my subscription boxes, I've also said that Keto Krate has helped me find some of my favorite snacks that I was introduced to because of Keto Krate. So I love Keto Krate. I do pay for it out of pocket. It's not sponsored. Nobody gives anything to me for free. But Keto Krate, if you want to sponsor me, I mean, I've got before and after pictures of keto weight loss and 2 people who eat keto that you can sponsor. But I'm too little as far as my subscription base. They don't want me. I'm not popular enough. So help me grow my channel and share it with others. And make sure to hit that bell and notification button and help a sister out. These are butter toffee peanuts. Okay, that sounds delicious. I have had this brand before. Okay, these are for Dan because, again, if you followed any of my videos, I do not eat pork, but these are flavored chicharrones, and they are dill pickled flavored fried pork rinds, and there is usually 0 to 1 carb of fat in any pork rind. So these will go to Dan, and I'm sure he'll enjoy those. Oh, my favorite beef jerky. I love beef jerky so much. I have not had this brand, so this is a new brand, Big John's Original. Look at those thick cuts of beef. Oh, I don't know why I like beef jerky so much. Oh, there's more in here. A hecka good food bar. I have talked about the real life, guys. I drop everything. This is why everything I have lids on, because I spill like a toddler.
Hey guys, it's Dan, the editor. I just wanted to take a second to let you guys know that she is not joking when she says that she drops everything. It has gotten to the point to where she can't even carry a water bottle without a sport cap on it. And this is her sippy cup that she uses on a daily basis. Don't mind my dirty desk. But this is what it's come to, guys. Sippy cups and sport bottles in the house. Wow.
All right, Hecka Good Foods, Keto Bar, Chocolate Sea Salt. Now, I have talked about them before in a previous video. I have had bars from them that I really do not like, and I've had some bars that are actually good. So to me, that's a hit or miss. Ooh, sugar-free bakeable chocolate fudge brownie mix. Now, I have gotten some other mixes before, but I have not made them yet. So I will chalk it up to the fact that I hate cooking. But I do need to make them. Oh, what is this? Noosh. Raspberry and cream flavored cake. Ooh. Made with organic flax and organic coconut oil. I have never seen this brand before, but that picture is intriguing me. I hope it's delicious. And then last in the box, whoa, roast chocolates, minis, milk chocolate flavored thins, no sugar added. Wow, I think this is the first time I've gotten like actual chocolate chunks. So let's look at the carbs here. There's 14 grams of carbs, 7 grams of dietary fiber, and 5 grams of sugar alcohol. Oh, so that's 2 grams of carbs for 5 pieces. Well, I mean, it is kind of like dessert time for me since I ate lunch already, so let's try some stuff out. These I'll put in a plastic bag. I know you're like, Denise, it's beef jerky. It's just going to be the same. No, not all beef jerky is created equal. These are nice thick cuts. Look at these. Don't mind my hands. They're like all scabby and stuff. Smells good. Slow smoked over real hickory. These are good. I like this. I'll have to look up Big John's Original and see how much that costs. Because I probably should not use my mouth. Hold please. So we had a little power issue and everything went off and I lost where I left off. But what I did is I tried these mini chocolates. I'm not going to eat them again because I'm pretty full and I want to try some other stuff. So I tried these mini chocolates. I'll take one out so you can see. They are little chocolate squares. They're about 1 by 1. They're not very thick. But what I was explaining is that I like dark chocolate, so it's kind of weird for me to go to milk chocolate. I don't know how often I'll be reaching for these because I prefer dark chocolate, but they're very good. They don't have a weird aftertaste and they taste just like milk chocolate. But you know who will be interested in these? Daniel, because he has a sweet tooth like me, and anything he can get his little grubby hands on, he likes to take. So next I want to try these ice chips candy, real peppermint. So I don't know what this is. It just doesn't have an explanation of what it is. It is resealable, so I'm going to try it. Let me get a good whiff. Oh yeah, it's very pepperminty. So I don't know if you can see inside here, but they look like rock candy. Let's try one. Okay, I get why they call them ice chips, because it's like, they look like ice. It's got the consistency, I'd say, of rock candy mixed with a mint. And it tastes like peppermint. It's actually really freaking good. If you're attuned to sweetener tastings, you can taste it a little, but it's not an aftertaste, it's just mixed in. You know it's not real sugar because it has I think it's the sugar alcohol. I don't know. If anybody knows, leave me a comment below. I don't know if it's the sugar alcohol you taste or what it is, but you can tell that it's different, but it's good. I like these. I will definitely be eating these. Let's try these Nutty Gourmet, these sea salt walnuts, since it's resealable. I love a resealable pack. I mean, they're walnuts. They're good. These would be easy to bake with too. And it's 2 grams of carbs for 1 ounce. I don't know how many ounces. Well, there's 4 ounces, so that's 1 serving. I'm not gonna open this because I know it's really good. I've had it before. It is crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. It's really, really good. I'm gonna save this. I do want to try these butter toffee peanuts for you guys because, as I was saying, I've been eating a lot of toffee and I like toffee. Okay, let's get a couple. You should be able to see what they look like. They look like peanuts. Those Keto Farms make some good nut substitutes. It's not as strong as a toffee flavor as I would hope for, being a toffee fan, because I love toffee. But it's good. I would say there's more of a hint of the butter toffee because the peanut flavor is still very strong, but these are good. These are gonna go in a Ziploc bag and I will be eating these. In another video, Keto Farms made like candied pecans. Holy crap, are those delicious. So I am a big fan of Keto Farms. Now, the one I really wanna try is this Noosh raspberry and cream flavored cake. Let me see what the deal is. So it's 17 carbs, 4 grams of fiber, and 10 grams of sugar alcohol. So 3 carbs for 1 package. Let's try this. Okay, we're using scissors. I'm struggling. I'm just gonna cut the top off and make my life easy. Okay, it has a little like plate under it. I wonder if you can warm it up. Does it say to warm it up? No, doesn't say anything about warming it up, but I wonder if it would be good warmed up. Okay, so it's got a little paper thing. You can see it's not very thick, and it almost looks like banana bread. That's what it looks like to me. All right, please be good. It's not overpowering with the raspberry. It's actually a very subtle, light raspberry taste. It's not as good as that like cloud stuff I had in another video, which I much preferred. I think they're called cloud cakes. I would say cloud cakes is better than this, but it's good. So I'll throw that in a Ziploc baggie. What else should we try today? How about we try this keto nut and seed bar, where it's less than 1 carb. Let's see what it is. 14 carbs, 4 dietary, sugar, alcohol, 0. How do they get that? That's 10 carbs for 1 bar. And they're saying less than 1 gram of sugar? That's not adding up to me. I have meals that are like 10 carbs. We're gonna set that to the side. I'm not understanding that one. Okay, so maybe I will open this because it is dessert time. Let's do it. Oh, it opens so nicely. Let me show you the cookie. Well, it almost broke. Well, it is breaking. Shit. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And it's got like a little bit of crunch. I have hair on it now because it fell on my desk. It's got a little bit of crunch on the outside and soft on the inside and just peels apart. It's like funfetti cake. So freaking good. And I know these aren't cheap because I looked them up. And I didn't buy them because it was a lot of money for not very many. But they are very good. So, that being said, this is last Keto Krate I'll be unboxing with you all. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments down below which treat would be your favorite to try. And let me know if you've ever tried Keto Krate. If you have not hit that bell and notification button, please be sure to do so. Help me out, help me grow the channel. I greatly appreciate it. Content is always changing. All my social media will be linked down below, so you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook and all the other social media platforms that are out there. Please keep your eye out for my next video. That will be a comparison of all the boxes I have paid for subscriptions to. So it's Denise from Wonderland Boutique, and I hope to see you again real soon. Bye-bye.